Just like that? Right here?
Right there. Wow.
Oh, man.
What? I said, damn, all this is doing? Yeah, wow.
What happened to the quarter eight?
What was bullshit on this? That's the fucking the ball?
You better get you some back brakes. You need them. He definitely got nice out of nowhere. Meatball rides that joint like it's a toy. That shit ain't no toy. And you wouldn't even think, like just last year, that nigga popped a clutch on a dirt bike and then it slid across the field. Real rap on the action, you tell you. Slid all the way across the field on that motherfucker. He gonna need some back brakes in a minute. Cause you willing and you stopping, you gonna run them brakes down. That nigga crazy.